Alright, what's up guys, today, well it's not, I'm not gonna do it actually, but, can you guys tell me how to use the Nexus mod? Because I have this spawn thingy right there. I have the spawn right there. But it doesn't work. Like, what? Why would you give me a mod that doesn't work? So I thought, because I also have spin right there, barely does anything, so like if I just do that, that's all it does. Literally all that it does. That's just like, what? Huh? Alright, so can you guys tell me how to use it? I do have so you guys can look real quick. I do have on mods, where is it at? Mod installer right there. I open it and I install it. Bro, it doesn't work. Like, bruh. Alright, can you guys type in the comments on how to do that? That would be really, really cool if I knew how to do it. Because then I could actually post more videos on how to do it and stuff. So, peace. Oh wait, what the heck? That's really cool. No, wait, no, come back. Alright, peace.